Welcome to you by Djsprc, and we have the Volantex Atomic 4S 1800 kV and speed control. I have no clue. It's a El Cheapo self-riding boat. This is technically the recovery boat with a rig around it to recover. It ain't worth shit. We need to do modification on it. Now, if you're wondering why the boat is cockeyed, that is normal because of self-riding. But let's see how this boat does. It's the Atomic SR85. My first impression of this boat in the beginning, before putting it in the water, I said, because it's not that expensive for a catamaran 4S. I think Great Hobbies sells it for $459 or $449. Just don't remember. In the States, it's a lot cheaper than that. But seriously, it's running on a 5050 Cs 4S right now. I might regret putting a 50 Cs in it. We'll see how the battery survives. But seriously, not bad of a boat. It handles well. And believe it or not, speed-wise, it's fast. It takes the waves, it takes everything. Now I will modify it. I will change the speed control in it to be able to reverse with it. You cannot reverse with the stock speed control. It is water cooled, but you cannot reverse in it. I might go maybe 6S, I'm not sure yet. I might go crazy with this boat. Now, if you guys have any question or comment, post down below. I'll be glad to answer you guys. Thank you for watching.